everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Pardon my mess. I've already been cooking in the kitchen, so to speak. I'm trying something here. I have Liquitex Heavy Body Acrylics in phthalo blue, medium yellow, and deep magenta. Basically your primary colors. These are all transparent paints. Sometimes I like to use at least one opaque, but you know, we're actually trying to get things to blend, and so let's see what happens. My white. For my base coat, I have Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white. And then for the color I'm going to be using to air swipe with is the Flow Acrylic white. And I have added just a bit, and I mean a bit, of the Americana satin enamels in white. I just want to see what's going to happen. So let's lay down a base coat and have ourselves an experiment. These paints are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. Mixed very thin so that when you drizzle your paint off of your stick into the cup, it does not form a mound on the paint that it is falling onto. It just disappears. You don't want it to sink. If it sinks, you've probably gone a little thin, and if it makes a mound, it's a little thick. Okay, so I'm going to lay down just a bit of each color. All right, so here goes the white with the enamel. Okay, I kind of got the effect I was going for, sort of. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. Lots of softness on the edges and boldness in the center. I love that right there. Love that. I think I want a whole painting of just that. That is so pretty. So, there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined. My Amazon store, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. Go make some art. Join our Facebook group. Come on over. Post your masterpieces. Ask some questions should you find yourself in a painting pickle, or if you just need some inspiration. And my website, GinaDeLuca.net. Have a look over there. I have paintings for sale. I have music for sale. All kinds of good stuff. So, yep, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.